Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make a delicious chocolate cake. So let's get started. Before we start, grease your baking container and line it with a baking sheet. This helps the cake come out easily after baking. Now let's prepare the batter. In a bowl, whisk together half cup curds and 3/4 cup brown sugar powder until the sugar melts completely and set it aside. Next, take a sieve and add 1 cup wheat flour. Three tablespoons milk powder, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Sift all the dry ingredients together. Add a pinch of salt. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of milk in batches. Gently mix using the cut and fold method until you get a smooth batter. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Pour the batter into the greased baking container. Tap it twice to remove any air bubbles. Now bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, insert a toothpick into the cake. If it comes out clean, your cake is perfectly baked. Let the cake cool for few minutes. Then gently remove it from the container. Place it on a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, a soft, moist and delicious chocolate cake. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upcoming video. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. Thanks for watching. You can also connect me on Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.